Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to Irin Academy. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are doing great. I'm Irin Sultana Samia. I'm very happy to see you here again because it means you love your family deeply. You choose peace over panic. You choose stability over stress. You choose a future that feels safe. This video is not about becoming rich fast. This video is about managing money wisely so that love stays stronger than pressure. If this matters to you, stay with me and please subscribe to Irin Academy because this channel is built to support real life, real families, real struggles. Managing money with a family is like holding an umbrella in a storm while you protect everyone else, even while getting wet yourself. Bills arrive quietly, needs grow loudly, and expectations sit quietly on your chest. Money becomes emotion before becoming math. Let's share a different story. Melinda French Gates, a global leader and philanthropist. Once she spoke openly about financial responsibilities in a family. Despite immense wealth, she emphasized on conscious spending, value-based decisions, and protecting long-term security over short-term comfort. She reminds us that true wealth in a family is not excess. It is stability, choice, and peace of mind. That is the heart of all family money management. Vicky Robbins says in his book, Your Money or Your Life, money is something we choose to trade our life energy for. When you have a family, your every dollar is not just money. It is about your time, your love, your energy. So think your family as a house. It needs foundation. Foundation 1, purpose before purchasing. Next time when you buy something for your family, answer one question. Does it really need for my family now? Because impulse breaks walls and intentions build shelter. You need intention, not impulse shopping. Foundation 2 is safety net, is love in advance. Yes, I'm talking about savings and emergency fund. Savings is not selfish. It is silent care. Emergency fund says, no matter what happens, my family won't panic. Foundation 3, honest conversation. Money silence create emotional distance. You have to talk to your family about your financial plan. Talk gently. Plan together because sometimes small plan can create big relief. Foundation 4, children learn what they see. When your habits are their education, when they see patience, they learn wisdom. When they see planning, they learn responsibility. If this video made you feel understood and if it is gave you even one calm breath, subscribe to Irin Academy because here we don't judge your journey. We walk with you. And share this video with someone who silently carries family responsibilities because sometimes support is the best investment. Remember, beautiful soul, money can buy happiness, but a wise money management can protect the people who can create it. So until next time, stay kind to yourself and stay intentional and keep growing one step at a time and stay with Irin Academy because where we rebuild, where we help to you become unstoppable. Like, comment and share this video. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care of your mind and body. Assalamu alaikum.